Welcome to InnoISO. So today I'm so excited because we just got in my iPhone SE 2020 and we're going to do my first live unboxing. Before I get started, I've got my iPhone 8 at the ready so we can see how similar it is to the iPhone 8. And we're going to walk through the specs really quick. So this is the 64 gig model. It's the white version because I think white looks absolutely gorgeous. And it's got the new A13 chip. It's got, I think, 3 gigs of RAM. If you can trust Twitter, it has the camera lens of the iPhone 8, the sensor of the iPhone XR, and with the ISP of the iPhone 11, it could be really, really interesting and we could get some great pictures out of this. So we'll go ahead and start unboxing it, and I'm really excited here. All right, we'll get a nice peel. It's nice that Apple doesn't make you need a knife. We've got a knife at the ready, but I don't think I'm going to need it here. All right. And Apple actually did an iPhone unboxing for their commercial for this, and it looks a lot different than this. I'm not sure how they did it. Wow. Ooh, okay. We're going to put this to the side. I'm really excited, but we're going to put that to the side for now. Everyone knows what comes with an iPhone right now. You've got your tiny little 5-watt charger. I think it's 5 watts. Everyone's got a boatload of these nowadays. You've got your earpods, not your AirPods. I would love to see them actually include AirPods one day, but I don't think it's going to happen anytime soon. And then finally, there's your little cable. All right. Just want to get that sound in there. Okay. Wow. Okay, so I don't know if y'all remember. Here's side by side with the iPhone 8. This is already quite different. With the iPhone 8, Apple actually went with this off-white color. Instead of matching all the Android phones that were released in the same year, they went with an off-white color to be unique. And what bothered me about it is the front was actually real white. So you have different colors on the front and back. Here, you can just see the difference here. This is a lot whiter white. This is kind of a grayish color, and I like the difference. I actually like the iPhone SE here. And unsurprisingly, they feel very similar in the hand. There's not a lot of differences in how they feel in the hand. On the iPhone SE, they actually have the black front glass versus the white front glass on the iPhone 8, which I think looks pretty nice. And you'll be able to see the bezels of the screen a lot less when you have the black front glass. So first impressions with this phone so far, it feels great in the hands. Unsurprisingly, it actually feels like I could one-hand this phone a lot better than a lot of other modern iPhones. I am excited to test out the camera. Hopefully it's going to have a high quality camera. Hopefully it will be the perfect iPhone for a lot of people who are still hanging on to the iPhone 8. And I think there are a lot of people that still hang on to this design because they prefer Touch ID over the newer Face ID. They don't like the gesture system for whatever reason. But yeah, I'm going to get this set up and keep an eye out. We're going to have a review on this in the coming weeks. I'll probably give it a week or two before I totally have a good conclusion on how I like it. And be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.